Morning, today is October 18th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Benicia, California. So we're doing some refinishing in a townhouse here. We have two separate bathrooms, two fiberglass units that we're going to be fully prepping and refinishing. So let's take a look at them. Here's the first bathroom. We have a bathtub enclosure unit, fiberglass. Looks like there was a coving here. A lot of adhesive in front. We're gonna fully remove all that adhesive. Fully prep this one out and refinish it in a color white. And let's go take a look at the other bathroom here. Okay, so in the master bathroom here, we have the shower unit, which is, once again, it's a fiberglass shower unit. And shower doors were removed from this. After it's fully refinished, the customer is going to install new shower doors. Okay, so here's a finish-up video of the shower units here in Benicia, California. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go look at the other bathroom. This is the bathtub enclosure, fiberglass unit. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you could reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.